Do you struggle with getting your point across effectively? Do you feel like you're not making the impact you want in your personal and professional life? Maybe you feel like your ideas are being ignored, or your expertise is being overlooked. Well, you're not alone. Communication is an essential skill that we all need to master to succeed. These are common challenges many people face when it comes to effective communication, influence, and persuasion. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. I'm excited to introduce you to our online e-learning course, The Art of Influence and Effective Communication. This course is designed to help you master the art of communication and become a confident and effective communicator. With the Art of Influence and Effective Communication course, we understand the difficulties you're facing and we're here to help. Our course is designed to teach you practical strategies and techniques that can help you communicate more effectively, establish yourself as an authority, and persuade others to see things your way. The course is broken down into 4 modules, each with its own set of benefits. In Module 1, you'll learn the foundations of effective communication. In Module 2, you'll master public speaking techniques. In Module 3, you'll explore advanced communication strategies. And in Module 4, you'll discover the art of influencing and persuasion. But before you enroll in the course, we're offering a free training that will give you a taste of what's in store. In this free training, you'll learn the secrets to effective communication and influence, and how you can apply them in your life today. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the course.